Yeah, so under the PS3 there's a little screw hole here under this little cover. That's how you get the hard drive out. So I've taken all the screws out, make sure you know what side it goes in, and then put the other hard drive in its place. So it is a new one. You want to put it exactly where it was. Yep, now it's back in. Make sure you put the screw in last. Put the front back on first. Once the front's all back in there and nice and flush, then put the screw in last. Yeah, so when it turns on, you'll be greeted with this message, because there'll be no PS3 files on there if it's a new system, if it's a new drive. So yeah, if that run correctly, the middle button, and it should do its install procedure. Here you go, turned on the PS3 controller. System cannot run correctly. Yes, you must go into its menu. Normally do that by holding down the power button until it beeps twice, which may take a couple tries, and it shuts it down in between, like trying, but you'll figure it out. Yeah, basically you hold down the power button to get to the menu, then you go to restore system, option number 5, and then when you restart, push the PS button again. Make sure you got your update USB in there, and once that's all there, you push the start and the select together, and then you can do the update. Just doing a checking part now. I haven't done the backup and restore part yet, but I can do that by swapping the drive over later. It's just doing the update, look. So once that's done, it's literally halfway finished. So yeah, when that's done, you'll be greeted with this screen. It's saying push the PS button. So do a check for update later again. I might actually need to take the memory thing out in case it tries to do it over and over. But yeah, top tip there. So once this bit is done to 100%, then I plan to take the flash memory out to stop any further problems, and it should be done. Oh, there you go, 100%. So before it starts up completely, we'll see what it does before I unplug anything. Here we go, let's reset. Sony, that's new, Sony Entertainment. So yep, seems to have worked. Here we go, so I can take out the memory stick. And go from here. So there it is, 828 gigabyte, which is a terabyte, sorry. Some of that obviously you can't access, but there you go. GTA Online, look, 21 updates, averaging around 60 meg, 21 of them. It's these 276 meg files that take up loads of space, well, loads of time I should say. It takes ages to download. 21, number 8 of 21, it's long.